Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to this first video, I would say, on this YouTube channel. On this YouTube series I want to make, I'm gonna tell you how you can make a basic ESX server. Today we are gonna start with the basic ESX framework, so we do not install something like the phone, jobs, or other stuff like the store. We just installed the framework ESX. In the next video, I know what I show you there. You can write it down in the comments. I'm gonna show you more, so that we have in the end of the series finished a basic ESX server. I'm using for this ESX standard 1.2, not ESX2. So if you want to use ESX2, you cannot watch this video. Another disclaimer: I am not a coder or stuff like that, so I cannot create ESX scripts or stuff like that. So if you have trouble with a script, go on Discord. I linked you in the description as a ESX user Discord, where you can ask people for help, and sometimes they help you, sometimes not, but if you're lucky, you have there people who help you. So let's get started. So for the basic ESX framework, you need these files here. I'll link them also down in the description, so you can just scroll down. So yeah, we're gonna start with the essential mode stuff. So here's our database connection in the essential mode. After that, we are gonna install ESX standard, and then the ESX menu object, so the basic ESX menu object. So at first I'm gonna point them all out of the zip data, what I previously can make before. And also sorry guys if my English is not the best, I give my best, because I'm from German. So can be that there's some troubles with speaking, but shouldn't be. Also guys, if you need a database for this, in this case I use a PHP-admin database, just basic. So if you don't have a database, you cannot make the server for people who don't know this. So I take this master away, you don't need this, but I make this because yeah, then the name's not so long. So then we go in our server. We got here our resource folder, where we're gonna install everything. Yeah, so and we're gonna start making a folder called essential mode. I hate that on my server, it's not the best, sometimes I time out. Essential mode, boom, created, and now just easy, just copy and paste these folders inside there. About upload SQLs in the database, I'm gonna say something about that after. First I put everything on a server, then we go in our server CFG. I added the server CFG with txadmin because I like it more, it just looks better I think. And we're gonna go here in and make this, so that's out comment, put here in essential mode. You don't need to do this, it's just for a better look in the database. So then we make this, and then we just copy the folder names in, start, folder name, start, I think it was 4 letters, so I make this. Easy. Also guys, for database connection, I show you this afterwards. First, we just install everything. Save files, and let's connect to data guys. Yes. So now we first can close this. Now we're gonna make a ESX folder. Yeah, ESX folder. And now what I like to do is making in the ESX folder a base folder. You don't have to do this, but I like is to make a base folder, character folder, store folder, stuff like that. It's just for the look. You don't need to do this. It's just something you can do for a better vision in your files. For me personally, for some people I think not, for some so depends on what you like more. Make the same, sorry for that I didn't do it before. everything out. Rename just for a better look. You say that again, you don't need to do this, just for a better look. And if you want to restart your resources while you're testing YAM on the server, don't restart the ESX standard on the server, it will block your server for the moment, so you have to reset the whole server. So it's easier if you want to reset that. Now we are gonna go inside here and make this. Not this. I'm gonna make not this here, big ESX, and a small base. Not the A. So, and now again, start and the server and the folder names. So basically the same. Just folder name, copy and paste. So there we go. And now we come to our database connection. You see here a database connection by me, so you don't see it because I blurred down, but I put you the database connection string with your parts, with the part of you, with the part that you need to type in down. So just copy and paste that from my description and put it right in your server CFG, and yeah, just put down these things you need. Like at server, you put your server in. When it's localhosted, you type just in localhost, you type the user ID from your database user, the password of the user, and the database structure that MySQL should take. So basically with files we're done, I guess. So now we are going to the database and put everything inside. I think here was here was nothing inside, so we can delete this. Here was also nothing inside, we can delete this. Essential mode also was nothing, but here in ES plugin MySQL there is something, and now there comes a little bit of busy part because you have to put two SQLs in one SQL to make this work. These are just the menus, you don't have the database connection, and put this. Because in this database connection you have stuff like money, bank, permission level, group. I think groups also inside here. And here you have groups also inside here. You have just identifier accounts, so you have to put them together. Basically I just this. Let's take a look what we have here, what we don't have in the other connection. Database, I'm sorry guys. Identifier we have, license we don't have, so we put license in. Just copy paste it. I know it's not a very good tool to edit it, SQL in fucking WordPad. I'm sorry for this, guys. Then we come on. So then we also take money, bank, permission level, and group, and then we are finished. Yeah. So basically put that just inside here. Close this. Save. Okay, now we come to the point where you shouldn't use this. So don't use WordPad. Close it. Open it with Notepad, which I would definitely regret for you. Just paste it in. We can delete this out. Yes. Okay. So now that should be everything, I guess. Yes, I think this should work. If not, we will see. Put it in. Okay, we see something that's working. Oh, okay, I guess. Okay. Group was still inside, so we don't need group twice. So put it. See that. So we just put it down. Bang. And now it should work. Yes, now it's worked. We're gonna refresh our site. See here your items list where you can put in your items. Jobs list where you can put in the jobs. Job grades where you can put in job grades, and users where the users save. Now we are going to start the server. Over to admin. So in this case I just restart my server. We're gonna check the live console, see everything gonna go through. We see no error, that's very good. Now we go into FiveM and check there and just join the server. So guys, we see now here our server. Please ignore this is just for me. You see here our server. Here no image because yeah we have no image here. If you want, I can make a video for you with the server CFG where I say what makes this, what use this. If you want, I can make this. So now we connect. Always if you connect first, check your TX admin console, because in the TX admin console you always see more errors as in the F8 console. Here you see every error in the F8 console. In my case I don't see every error, so always check this here. But first we just connect. It's the difficult normal, it's the default FiveM loading screen. So as I said in another video, I will show you, I will show you how to install the custom loading screen and yeah, how to edit them. So guys, back I had a little troubles because you have to change FiveM MySQL async just in MySQL async, because it is dependency from ESX extended, and ESX extended just note this folder name. So just put the FiveM away and then everything should work. Checked. So guys, now we're on the server and yeah, there we see ESX extended is not working. We have our basic inventory, and if you're asking why I look like an NPC, it's because skin changer and ESX skin is not installed. Now we just have ESX Framework installed, but not the ESX base is not finished yet. Yeah, basically. In the next video I'm gonna show you how to install the ESX identity and the ESX skin and the ESX skin changer and stuff like that. And if you want, I don't show you the basic ESX extended, so I show you a modified ESX extended ESX identity version, what looks a little better. But now you see we have the basic ESX framework is there. I can show you we have no errors in the console. That's look. This user table, so one user takes two tables. I don't know a fix for this, someone wants to fix. You can just write it down. You see here, everything works. ESX extended, info play name, blah blah blah. Connect to server and has play ID 1. You also see I can also spawn a car if I have the permissions, like a Saturno. Okay, look like I have the permissions. So I can do this, I can make set group, I can set account money, so you see it's working, guys. Yeah. Basically this is it. For more basic stuff, just leave a like and description there, and I will upload more videos how to install ESX base. Have a nice day, stay healthy, and I'm gonna say goodbye and wish you a beautiful day. Your FedEx. Bye bye.